Hi guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create HTML email signature. Alright, so now here we are in the website of GIMMIO, and this is the platform that we will be using so that we can easily create HTML email signatures right here in GIMMIO. So it is gim.io right here, as you can see in the URL right there. So you need to go here, and once you are here, you can start by clicking here on new signature right here, and then from here you would see the templates that you can use right here on GIMMIO. So for example, we want some really simple templates right here. So let's say we would want this one right here, the first one. I think this one's good. I'm gonna go here right here, and from here we now have this. So from here we're gonna go and click apply, since we're just previewing this signature right here. So we're gonna click on apply so that we can make further changes or we can edit more of it. So from here we're gonna go click on the image, and then from here we can actually remove the example image and we can upload our own. If you don't want that, we can upload and click on remove, choose image, and choose a local file. And let's say I want this one right here. Click on done, and then right here I can now position the picture right here. So I'm just gonna scale it down so that it would be like this. So yeah, just like that. And now the next thing is that we're gonna edit some text, of course. So we're gonna edit the name right here. We're gonna change this into Thrive Media right there. And you can even add a link to the name field right here. When you click on that, you can add a hyperlink. So let's say we will be going for google.com right here as a hyperlink. And then when someone clicks on this name right here, they would be redirected to this link right here that we have put. So this is also very important feature right here. And when you're done, click on done right there. And now when you click on this one right here, they would be able to go to the google.com. So now the next thing is we have this position right here. So let's say I am the founder. Let's say I'm the founder right here, and click on done. Once you're done, again, you can click on this button if you would like to add a hyperlink or link to that text. So when someone clicks the text, they would be able to go through that website. And the next thing is you can also go for the phone number. You can edit everything right here, and this one and this one right here, you can edit that. And this one, the mobile phone, you can click on done once you're done, and go for address. We can edit that into, for example, just like that. And phone, we're just gonna edit this into some random numbers right here. This is just for example right here. And then you can also go for your social media icons right here. So for example, in your Facebook, again, you can go for the icon style, but again, this would need some premium subscription in GIMMIO in order for you to be able to edit this. So not everything is for free right here, but everything that you need is already right here in the free version. These are just for some customizations right here that you would need if you want it to be really unique. And you can have your social icon. You can even add some custom icons right here. Let's say you don't want Facebook, you want Netflix, then you can go for Netflix icon right there, or whatsoever that you would like to use. You can even go for GitHub and whatsoever right there. And you can reset the style defaults by clicking on this button. And then from here, you can also edit the scale of that icon right there. If you want to make it bigger than the others so that you would be able to highlight it, you can also do that. And you can just reset to 100 so that they would be all the same size. And then from here, you can also add a hyperlink. So what you want to put here in the hyperlink is the URL or the link of your Facebook profile. So you want to tap it, or you want to paste it right here. So when someone taps on this icon, they would be brought, or they would go into your Facebook profile right here. So you can just do the same steps in other social icons right here. So now that you know that, let's move on to the other details that we can edit right here. So this one right here, we can also edit this, but you will be able to remove this if you want to. If you have the premium subscription, or you have other options and how you can remove this, you can leave a review on GIMMIO email signature generator. You can put a star right here. You can put a review, then they would be able to get rid of this one, or you could just like or share our services with your friends and remove the message right here by going through their Twitter account and their Facebook account right here. So you would be able to do that and remove this one right here. But of course, you can always have your own custom signature message right here. So you can click here on get your own signature message right here. So you would have this, and you would be able to instead of removing this, you would be able to just edit this if you have the premium plan right here. But basically, you can just remove it and it's basically the same. And then from here, you can even edit this one if you have the premium plan. And yeah, that is basically it on how we can create it. As you can see, we have created a really decent email signature right here in under 5 minutes of time. So yeah, that is very easy, and all that's left right now, if you are done with everything, you're done with editing the contents and so on, you're satisfied, so you can click on the check signature size right here and see if it is compatible with all software. And let's see, as you can see right here, it is now checked, and as you can see, there is only 7,351 characters, so it's good, because most of the email platforms doesn't really like if your characters of your email signature go up to 10,000, then that is where the problem starts. So in my case, we only have 7,000, so it's fine. Now we can now install our signature right here. Click on install signature, and then we can just paste it into our email platform that you'd like. So from here, click here to get your signature, click on it. And then from here, as you can see, it has now been copied into our clipboard. So it would depend on which email platform that you are going to use. But in my case, I'll just be using Gmail's for that very simple instructions right here. All right, so now here we are in our email platform, or in Gmail. So from here, we can click here on the settings so that we can start and apply our email signature, and click on see all settings right here. And then from here, you would want to go for your signature right here. So I'm going to just search for it. So as you can see, now we have the signature right here. So we can click on create new. And then from here, you can go and name your signature. So let's say my name for this one would be my sample signature right there, and click on create. And then from here, I would want to paste this one right here that we have copied, and click here, and we now have copied this into our clipboard. So I'm just gonna go and paste this right here, and as you can see, the email signature has now been pasted right here. And now I can just click on this right here because I have attached a link, and then I will be able to go to that link just I have instructed earlier. And then the next one is that you can go here for new emails, and you can just set this right here so that it would automatically show up right here. So for new emails, use my sample signature. On reply or forward use my sample signature. So in this case, this would be automatically be added into our message right there, and all we have to do now is save changes. And now the next thing that we're going to do is click on compose, and then as you can see, we now have that email signature popping up every time we send a message or reply to messages here in our email. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.